At the last part, try get your lines straight. Don't make mistake again, abeg. Don't say we'll not get more with this space. Yes. Don't make mistake now. We don't waste time. Sharp. Yeah. Action.
70 years old man. Hey! Funny people.
Oh yeah, no, that girl. I don't tie up on my back. Don't tell me leave this girl alone. Don't move on with your life. You know go here. Oh, don't forget your line. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Take again. That girl, I don't tie up for her. Okay. I won't break up with her. I don't tell you to me leave this girl. Move on with your life. You understand?
Hey now, me want to live myself. Before you kill me, pass you want.
I don't forget my life. No vex. Just come.
What is happening here? What are you doing here? What is good about the money? What are you doing in my house?
Sir, we are trying to shoot. We are comedians. We are skit makers.
Okay.
We are trying to shoot skits, sir.
And you are using my house. Who gave you the permission to use this house?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. Come on, delete this. Delete everything. I don't want to see my house in your useless skits. Stupid skits. Instead of you to think of what you do with your life, you are here doing nonsense skits.
It's not.
I said delete it or I'll get you arrested. I'll make sure my lawyers.
No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are doing.
Okay, good. Now let me warn you. I've been seeing your previous videos on Instagram, Facebook, and online with my face and my house. I give you 24 hours to go and delete them. If you don't delete them, we'll see in court.
Oh,
my lawyer will get back to you.
Sir, this is not fair. It's because the house is fine.
Oh, is it because I have not called the police to arrest you? Okay, wait, let me get up from here. I said get out. Useless children. Skit maker.
Bro, you they make this shoot they had me. Which one be Venzai?
Okay.
I tell you say Venzai, they talk say he carry the Venzai down. Right? Well, straight.
You again? You again? What are you doing here? What is good about the afternoon?
Sir, we are not to your compound now.
This is my street. I don't want you anywhere around me at all. Don't come to my house. Don't record in my street. Oh yeah, get the camera and get out of this place. Okay, you want me to stop?
Sorry, sir.
Get out from this place. Nonsense.
Jesus!
Good for you.
Jesus!
Nonsense.
No problem. God will see us. There is God in everything we are doing.
Oh my God, honey. This house is beautiful. Oh man, it's fine. Wow.
At the bush bar.
Yeah, it's so lovely. Please, can I take a photo here?
Okay.
Just one,
You want to
please.
snap?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me talk to them. Probably just go in and snap inside. Instead of staying at the gate. Just
God
go in
have
and
mercy
take the
upon
bush
us.
bar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. That would be nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Let me stop and just see if I can get the people around. Young man, how are you? Well done. See, sorry, this house, just like the appearance. My wife wants to take some pictures.
Okay. May I talk to my guy?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Look at this bush. It's fine, man. Good. Ah, man. It's fine.
Afternoon, how are you?
You again? So, everywhere I go to that you must follow me, Abi? Because I'm dreaming you away from my environment and my house. You now say this is the house you are going to be using. Today you have met your Waterloo. Come on, call me your guy. This man, you don't have any good thing to do. You say you want to be making skits.
Okay.
Skits. What will Skit give you? Useless boy.
This man,
Call me your
70 years old man.
Network for this side bad, bro. You say waiting.
Stupid, useless skit maker.
You were not a form too.
Me? He built this house. Let's leave this place. Let's leave. Take. Meet me at home.
Madam, don't worry. Are you true? Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you.